From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Bradley's forecast.
Well, temperatures today easily getting into the mid and upper 80s area-wide. Hard to believe that this time tomorrow we're going to be in the 50s and heading for the 40s tomorrow night. Big time winter chill on the way here across Acadiana, including Halloween and much of the week ahead. So we'll take a look at that extended outlook just a second. Let's get a check of the upper level pattern, and we're still under the influence of this ridge of high pressure, but it's going to start to break down and fade. We're going to be watching this trough out west start to push eastward, but really what we're going to see is a pretty big push coming out of Canada here in the upper levels, and that's what's going to swing on through and usher in some chilly conditions for much of this week. Now, satellite radar composites, those showing quiet conditions here locally, much of the Gulf Coast, thanks to that ridge of high pressure. But here's our frontal boundary with a good amount of showers, even some winter precipitation as far south as Kansas, Oklahoma, and then now extending into Missouri. We're not going to see any winter precipitation, obviously, but we are going to see winter-like temperatures as early as tomorrow afternoon. Again, as readings will be dropping into the 50s. Power Doppler 3 has been relatively quiet, but as expected, one or two streamer showers here or there popping up late this afternoon, more so over towards the extreme eastern parts of upper St. Martin Parish, but not really amounting to much. So rain chances not too high through this evening and overnight tonight. Now, our low temperatures, our high temperature, I should say, for tomorrow likely going to occur a couple of hours after midnight tonight, upper 60s to lower 70s, because here comes this strong cold front knocking on the doorstep by daybreak tomorrow morning, and temperatures are only going to fall as the day wears on. So 60s for the morning, but then notice we're going to be in the 50s for our Monday afternoon. A lot of cloud cover out there tomorrow, so it is going to be a dreary day. We'll call it cool, breezy as well. Winds will be picking up out of the north at around 15 to 20 miles per hour. Again, few light showers, but nothing overly heavy. Rain chances not too terribly high, 20 to 30%. I would not plan on a whole lot of rainfall. We'll show you the estimates in just a second. Some of those light sprinkles, light showers could extend into tomorrow night, early Tuesday morning, but then by Tuesday afternoon, any sort of moisture is going to kick out of here. Quite chilly first thing Tuesday morning, upper 40s to lower 50s with the wind chill factor, thanks to those breezy northerly winds, and it's going to be a wind chilly type of day heading into Tuesday. Graph model probably optimistic with the temperatures. I think with the cloud cover hanging around for much of the day, we are going to struggle to get out of the 50s at any point on Tuesday, and believe it or not, only getting a little bit chillier from there for our overnights going into Wednesday and Thursday mornings. Now, here's what I'm talking about with the rainfall. Not a whole lot. Most of us picking up less than 1/10 of an inch, but really less than 1/100th of a 10th of an inch. 1/100th of an inch as we head over the next couple of days. So don't plan on a whole lot of rainfall. As far as the temperatures, here's the situation. Again, lows tonight, or temperatures tonight, upper 60s to lower 70s. That'll be our high temperature for the day tomorrow. So kind of one of those weird days where readings are going to be falling into the afternoon. We'll be in the 50s by this time tomorrow afternoon, and then only getting chillier from there. Upper 40s to lower 50s for the start on Tuesday. And with the cloud cover, we struggle to get out of the 50s at any point on Tuesday, and then we're heading for the upper 30s and lower 40s for our Wednesday morning. Here's the winds picking up through tomorrow morning and early throughout our Monday out of the north. 15 to 20 miles per hour, and they're going to stay pretty stiff as we head into tomorrow night. Tuesday morning, still 15 to 20, so that'll give us a wind chill factor, lower 40s first thing Tuesday morning, and then notice staying breezy into our Tuesday as well. 67 will be that temperature tonight, but probably the high for tomorrow, so we'll call it a mild night ahead, and then only turning cooler throughout our Monday. Temperatures drop into the afternoon into the 50s, mostly cloudy skies, few light showers, rain chances not too terribly high, nor any sort of rainfall produced on the heavy side. And then here we go, a lot of clouds for Tuesday, clearing out Tuesday evening. But if you're heading out for trick-or-treating, make sure you dress in layers because it's going to be chilly out there. Lots of sunshine for the middle parts of the week. Will gradually be warming up for the end of the week and into the following weekend. But that's a look at weather for now, but stay with us. We'll have more news coming up after the break.